In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate all audio sources in OBS Studio. By the end, you'll have clean, isolated audio for your game, voice chat, music, and browser so you can mix live with confidence and edit each track independently later. Start by opening OBS Studio. Before adding anything, we want to prevent OBS from grabbing your entire system sound. Click Settings, go to the Audio tab, and set every desktop audio device to disabled. This is crucial. Leaving desktop audio enabled often causes doubled audio, bleed between apps, and makes proper separation impossible. Now, let's capture apps one by one. Select your scene, then in the Sources panel, click the plus icon and choose Application Audio Output Capture. Give the source a clear name, something like Game, Voice Chat, or Music, so your mixer stays organized. In the window list, pick the exact application you want to isolate. Repeat this for each program you need on its own fader, such as your chat app, music player, and game. If an app doesn't appear right away, make sure it's open and producing sound so OBS can detect it. For web audio, add a browser source. Set it up as you normally would, then in the browser source properties, check control audio via OBS. This routes the browser's sound directly into the OBS mixer as its own controllable source, instead of slipping through your system output. Next, open Advanced Audio Properties by clicking the gear icon in the audio mixer. Here you can fine-tune each source, adjust volume to avoid clipping, pan if you need stereo placement, and most importantly, map sources to tracks using the checkboxes. For example, you might keep game on one track, voice chat on another, and music on a third, so your editor receives clean stems. The checkboxes don't change what you hear live, they define what gets written to each recording track. Tell OBS to actually record those separate tracks. Go to Settings, then Output, then Recording, enable multiple audio tracks, and select the same track numbers you just assigned. Most modern containers support multiple tracks, which preserves your separated audio for post-production. From here on, each source has its own fader in the mixer. You can rebalance levels on the fly, mute voice chat without touching game audio, or lower music while you speak. When you finish, your recording will include discrete audio tracks ready for precise editing. That's all there is to cleanly separating every audio source in OBS Studio. Disable global desktop capture, add per application captures in a managed browser source, organize them in advanced audio properties, and enable multi-track recording.